Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to preview your site on Wix. Being able to preview your website before publishing is crucial because it lets you see exactly how your site will look to visitors, whether they're viewing it on a desktop computer or a mobile device. This way, you can catch any design issues or formatting problems before they go live. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Wix website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your website management tasks. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various site management features. From this drop-down menu, you can preview the website settings you currently have configured. Take a moment here to make sure that the website displayed is indeed the one you want to work with and preview. This is especially important if you manage multiple sites through your Wix account, as you want to ensure you're editing and previewing the correct project. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually positioned beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. This action will redirect you to the Wix website editor screen, which is where all the magic happens in terms of designing and customizing your site. Now that you're in the editor, you'll notice this is a pretty straightforward function. Wix provides you with two convenient ways of previewing your website, either from desktop view or mobile view. This dual preview capability is essential because it ensures your site looks great on all devices. To access the preview mode, locate the preview button on the top right part of your page and click on it. You'll now be directed into preview mode, where you can see your site exactly as your visitors will experience it. The page will initially load in desktop view, showing you how the site appears on larger screens. However, if you want to see how your site looks on mobile devices, simply click on the mobile icon located on the top left part of your screen. This instantly switches the view to mobile format, allowing you to check the responsive design and ensure everything displays correctly on smartphones and tablets. And that's it. You've now learned how to preview your Wix site in both desktop and mobile views, giving you complete control over how your website appears to all visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.